Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today just a quick video on how to simply and easily change out a couple light fixtures in your bathroom. Thank you for joining us here on our channel. We're going to show you how we turn our house into our small family farm. We're going to show you how we accomplish lots of small projects and how you can do them too. So when we moved into this house a few years back, they had these old light fixtures we really just did not like, and the bulbs were really expensive. So we finally got around to changing out the light fixtures, and we're going to show you how we did it in just about 20-30 minutes. So to get started, we got to take off the old fixture to begin with. Now that the cover's off, we'll get the base off. Usually it's just a couple screws holding it down. Alright, now that that's off, always want to double check that there's no electricity. The other light is off, so we are good. In this case, you'll see the only other two connections here are going to be the hot and the neutral, so we'll go ahead and untwist those and pull off this base. So now you can see we've got a lot of dust, so we'll wipe that off because it's been sitting there for 14 years. Now that the light is off, all we have to do is put the mounting bracket up and then mount the light onto the mounting bracket as well as wire it. When you're putting the mounting bracket on, first things first, make sure to check the electricity to make sure it's off by either turning off the circuit breaker or turning off the light switch. In this case, I know that the other light is on this same circuit and that's off because the light is off, so we're good. Cool, nice and secure. So we'll get the light up here, wire it up, and put it on the harness. Now that we have our light up here, we're going to stop and talk about wires for just a second. Here in the US, it's standard to have three types of wires. You're going to have your black, white, and bare or green. In this case, black is always going to be hot, white is neutral, and your bare or green is going to be ground. On most all lights, they will come with those same colors. In this case, it's exactly the same. So all we're going to do is we're going to start with one of them. In this case, I'll just start with white because it's right here. We're going to take the wires and twist them together just very slightly to get them to stay together for us. We're going to take the wire cap, slide it over, and then twist it down until it's tight. The important thing here is to make sure to not have any wire exposed or coming out of that wire nut, because if it does make contact with the metal bracket, it can cause a hazard. Now that it's all wired up, we're going to slide this over those screws and kind of push the wiring back and slide it on. Now what we gotta do is put the nuts on to secure it. Okay, now that it's all wired up and secured, we're gonna put these shades on. So all you gotta do is unscrew the collar, slide these on, and then put it back on. Alright, now that the shades are on, we're gonna check and make sure everything is level. Looks pretty good, so let's get some light bulbs in and try it out. In this case, we're going to be putting in 60 watt equivalent of LED daylight white color temperature bulbs. Make sure to check out next week's video and we'll talk about the differences and why I like the daylight color temperature. Alright, well that was really simple. We went ahead and did both lights. It took about 20 minutes all in all, and they look a lot better. Honestly, I'm not super impressed with the mounting system that Allen Roth did. They're the maker of them. They sell them at Lowe's is where we got them. But it'll work for us. Thanks guys so much. We really appreciate it. If you like this video and want to come back and check out all of our other videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notifications. Make sure to tune in next week. We're going to be talking about LED bulbs, color temperatures, why they're different, and which one I think is better. See you guys.